Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Head Ministers Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, dear teachers and my old dear friends. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. So let's begin our day by remembering Almighty God.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। ज्ञान के हों अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण।
Dear friends, today's assembly is conducted by the student of class 4th F. The theme of the assembly is time management. I would like to invite my friend Vasant to say thought for the day.
Good morning, my name is Vasant Raj from class 4th F. Thought of the day is never leave things for tomorrow which you can do today. I repeat my thought, never leave things for tomorrow which you can do today. Thank you and have a nice day.
The time is the only capital that any human being has, and only a thing that he can't afford to lose. Now comes Payal with a poem, Take Time.
काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब। पल में प्रलय होएगी, बहरी करेगा कब। So friends, time is precious. Your future is created by what you do today. समय बड़ा अनमोल है, समय बड़ा बलवान। जो ना समझे मोल समय का, वो है बड़ा नादान। यही संदेश देने के लिए क्लास 4 के छात्र आपके समक्ष एक गाना प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। I welcome my friends to present the song.
Now I invite our class teacher, Mrs. Usha Sharawat ma'am, to share her thoughts on today's topic, time management.
Good morning, children. You all know that the theme for today's assembly is time management. So, first of all, you should understand what is time management. Time management is basically dividing and allocating your time wisely to do important tasks in a day. You must be thinking, why is it important or beneficial for us? At your age, time management is important so that you are capable of completing your work timely, keeping quality of work in mind. This will help you to work more systematically and make you disciplined in life. It is one of the key factors to succeed in any field of work. For example, if you don't devote an equal amount of time to all the subjects you study, then you may not be able to score good marks in each of them. And this will affect your overall percentage. Time management helps us plan and manage our lives. We learn how much time is needed to be devoted to a particular activity or task. We cannot spend our day doing just one task. If you do not manage your time, you may spend more time on a particular task and may completely avoid another. For example, children spend more time playing or watching TV and completely forget to finish their schoolwork. In that case, you need to make a timetable of the activities that you do in a day. Also, write how much time is spent on these activities. Follow it for a few days. This will help you to realize where you are wasting your time and which task or activity is to be given more time. This process will help you to organize your time better. Children time is precious, which plays a significant role in everyone's life. Once the time is gone, it never comes back. I request you all to manage your time and live a balanced life. Have a good day, children.
Time. It is not always mine. 24 hours a day, you should be on your way. Hours, minutes, and seconds, just past and second. Make the good use of time. Give some time to a time. Come up with good timetable so that life becomes stable. To use at maximum extent is called the good management. So friends, be disciplined, manage your time and create a better future. Have a nice day.